Today is October 25th, 2018, about 3 a.m. Thursday morning. I am Jake, Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. I'm going to do this little video on a Zep Bull key copying machine, copy transponder from one to another. It do work. You got to be careful pushing on these small buttons though. They will get stuck and you'll probably have to buy another one. So let's get started here. I'm gonna cut it on. Now you seen me cut it on, so it is working right there. I'm gonna cut it off. And it do everything it say it will do, so let me there go the plug right there. So I'm gonna plug it back in right here. Let it boot up. It talk about 500 token, but it also say token free, token limited. So hey, this is what we working with. Let's see now. I might have to hold this phone some other kind of way. Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Copy. Let's see what that say. Please wait. See no transponder, so hey, it's telling you something. Please wait. No transponder, it's telling you something. Let's see what this is. No transponder. No transponder. Keep saying no transponder, but I'm trying to find out what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna go back here where it say setup, see something. Device information. There you go. This little thing really Okay, let's see something here. Okay, this is a Chevrolet key right here I'm putting in. American Chevrolet. So now I got to do this stuff. Let's see something, put read. That's what's in there. There you go, right there. That's it. It did what it's supposed to do. That's it. Let's see what it do about right. I'm gonna take this out. It works. It do what it's supposed to do. It works. I'm Jake Locksmith, service Jacksonville, Florida. It works. It do what I wanted to do.